Hey, how we doing? Ian Norris Bird Loft up and running. Day number 2, ready to feed the birds. They over here chilling. I feed them this right here, a little mixed grain, a little bit of everything in it. About to full up their feeders, their trays. See what they like, what they eat. You know, the first of this month coming up is an auction in Jersey. I'm trying to go there. Seems like I have a lot of cock birds, not too many hens. I guess the last auction I went to had a bunch of cocks, and just my luck, all cocks and like 2 or 3 girls. So we're gonna have to bring some hens in for these bad boys. Look at them, they all waiting, just waiting. Got the chicken and rooster outside, chilling. Let's do this.